Welcome to this quick tutorial for SEOpilot AI, the ultimate tool to automate and optimize your Shopify store's SEO. If you have ever struggled with writing meta titles or descriptions for hundreds of products, collections, blogs, or pages, this app is built for you. In this video, I am going to walk you through how SEOpilot works, how to generate SEO content using AI, and how to apply it to your store in just a few clicks. Let's get started. This is the dashboard of our app where you can see the counts of the products with SEO. Same for collections, pages, and blogs. Below that, we have the total count of products in this particular store. And with that, 18 products have SEO data, which in total is 36%. You can create SEO data for rest of the products using our app, which will help to rank the products better. Let's get started with generating content for products. By going through this sidebar, all the products of the Shopify page has been listed. So here you can able to search the product, or you can filter based on the selected collections. And beside that, you can see available token based on your subscription plan you have purchased. You can see products, and it will be deducted based on your usage of the request to generate the content. Below that, the first two products or collections or pages or blogs will be automatically generated for the first time just for reference, so you can directly use it. Here already, the product title has been generated, and this button says to regenerate. If you don't like this title, you can just click on this and it will again regenerate a new product title for you. Similar for meta title, and if you like both, you can just click on apply, and if you like all these three SEO generated data, you can just click this apply button and it will be saved to the Shopify store directly. You don't need to copy and go to the Shopify store to paste. Similarly, you can click this generate button to generate for new products, and it will generate product data. With that, we have an additional feature for adding suffix and prefix to your content. So we have fields for all of the three fields, which is product title, meta title, and meta description. So for all these three, you can add the suffix and prefix. So for now, we have also provided some suggestions, so you can just click on that and use them, or you can edit your own. Currently, we have added some, and let's click Save, and let's verify if this has been added or not. So we have added trending and added 2015, so which has already been appended and prefixed to our string to this product title. Similar for meta title, we have added official and best deals. Like that, you can manage your suffix and prefix based on your convenience. You don't need to manually add to a particular product for each time. That will be appended directly based on the new generated data of SKU. And again, clicking on Apply this product, it will be directly applied for that particular product. If you want to use for bulk, you can just select particular product and click on this Regenerate All, and it will regenerate for these particular two products. And similarly, you can click on this Apply All button that will be applied to these particular two products. You don't need to select for single, or by single cell. Similarly, we have the collection module, which also works similar. So here also, all the collections will be displayed, which first two collections will be default displayed. And same for pages, and same for blocks. These all four models only are separated based on their data and resource type, but the usage is similar. Just clicking this generate will generate it and applies this block, which will be directly saved. Thanks for watching this tutorial.